transform the segment AB using sharing transformation in x and z coordinate proportional to y and x coordinate by -3 and 4 units respectively, where the coordinates of the point A is 1, 3, 1 and the coordinate of the point B is 2, -2, 1. Now, of course, this is an example of the 3D transformation, or it is the transformation from the three-dimensional plane, because it is a coordinates of the point A and B are ordered triplet. So that means they are having the three coordinates of the point A and B. So obviously it is from the three-dimensional transform. So the object is given as a segment AB. Okay, first we have to write the position matrix of the segment AB here. So how to write the position matrix of the segment AB? Now see, I'll write it here. Position matrix. So x is equal to, now 2 points are given, A and B, so that we write it in a column matrix form, the point A and point B of this segment AB, and then we'll write their coordinates of this point A and then point B. So what are the coordinates of the point A and B? So coordinate of the point A is 1, 3, 1, and the coordinate of the point B is 2, -2, 1. So this is our position matrix of the segment AB. That will be generally denoted by X. Okay, so the position matrix X is equal to 1, 3, 1, 2, -2, 1. Okay, now we have to write the sharing transformation. Now what is the transformation given here? The sharing transformation is given sharing in X and Z direction or Z coordinate proportional to Y and X coordinate by -3 and 4 units respectively. Okay, so this is our transformation, sharing transformation in X and Y coordinate by X and Z coordinate proportional to the Y and X coordinate by -3 and 4 unit respectively. Now how to write this sharing transformation, that I already told you, the sharing transformation matrix. So that will be denoted by T. So it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Sharing transformation matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. So I'll write it here. 3 by 3 matrix. The first row is the X coordinate, second row is for Y coordinate, and third one is for Z coordinate. Similarly, column wise, X column, Y and Z column. Okay. Now the sharing. Now in a sharing transformation, the diagonal entries are always equal to 1. Okay, so all the diagonal elements are equal to 1, 1, 1. Now first, X and Z proportional to the Y and X means what? X proportional to Y. X proportional to Y means what? -3 unit. So X column and Y row. So that is equal to -3. X column, Y row. That means X proportional to Y coordinate. And similarly, Z coordinate proportional to X coordinate. So Z coordinate proportional to X coordinate means Z column proportional to X row. That means this one. X Z column X row, that will be 4 unit respectively. Okay, so this entry is represent the sharing in X coordinate proportional to Y coordinate by -3 unit, and this position represent the sharing in Z coordinate proportional to X coordinate by 4 unit. So this is the sharing, and then rest all the entries are non-diagonal entries are what? 0. So this one is 0, 0, 0 and 0. So this is our sharing transformation matrix. 1, 0, 4, -3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then at that, after that one, we applying this T on position matrix X and then find out the X star. Okay, so apply T transformation matrix T on position matrix X. So then we get, so what we get, X star. X star is equal to X into T. Okay. Now these examples we are solving by the same method, just like a two-dimensional transformation. 2D मध्ये आपण जसे example solve केलेले आहेत, by same method we are solving these examples also. Okay, only the difference is here we have to write the three-dimensional matrices. Their order is different only. Now already we know that X, what is X? X is equal to 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 2, 1. So that I'll write it here, that X is equal to, so what is our first row? 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 2, 1. 1, 3, 1 and 2 minus 2, 1. So this is our position matrix X, and then transformation matrix T is equal to. Now T is equal to what? See, here is the matrix T, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, 4, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 0, and then third row is the 0, 0, 1. So this is our 3 by 3 matrix. So this is equal to matrix multiplication by row by column method. So first row, first column. So 1 1s are 1, 3 minus 3s are minus 9. So 1 minus 9 and 1 zeros are 0. So 1 minus 9 plus 0. How much it is? 1 minus 9 minus 8 plus 0 is minus 8. So this become minus 8. And first row, second column. 1 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 1 zeros are 0. So 0 plus 3 plus 0. So that becomes 3. Then first row, third column. So 4 ones are 4, 3 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. So 4 plus 1, 5.
5.
Okay. So this is the first row entries. Now the second row, first column. What is that entry? Second row, first column. 2 ones are 2, minus 2 minus 3 are plus 6. So 2 plus 6, 8, and 1 zeros are 0. So this becomes 8 plus 8. Then second row, second column. 2 zeros are 0, minus 2 ones are minus 2, 1 zeros are 0. So that becomes minus 2 only. And then second row, third column. 2 fours are 8, minus 2 zeros are 0, and 1 ones are 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. So this is our X star, means position matrix after the transformation. So this first row is the coordinates of the point A star, and the second row are the coordinates of the point B star. So the point AB is transformed to this A star B star position. That means what are the coordinates of the point A star? A star is nothing but minus 8, 3, 5. These are the coordinates of the point A star, and B star. Coordinate of the point B star is equal to what? 8 minus 2, 9. So these are the coordinates of the point after sharing transformation on the segment AB. So likewise, we can solve the examples of any transformation is given in three-dimensional plane. So the method or procedure to solve the examples are just like the 2D transformation. Only the difference is that here the transformation matrix, any transformation matrix order is changed. That means either 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, and uh, the coordinates, that means any objects vertices are represents ordered triplet. That is the change only here. Okay. Now the next example. I'll take a next example here. Suppose we will say transform the triangle ABC transform the triangle ABC, or instead of transform, I'll take it here, rotate. rotate the triangle ABC about y-axis through 90 degree, where A, the coordinate of the point A is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then coordinate of the point B is 2, 3, 4, and coordinate of the point C -2, 3, 1. Okay, so this is the example. Now we have to rotate the object about the y-axis. There we have to take a rotation about the y-axis. Now already we know that there are the three transformation matrices for the rotation. That means first transformation matrix is for the rotation about x-axis, then rotation of second transformation matrix is for rotation about y-axis, and then third one is the rotation about z-axis. So here we have to take a rotation about x-axis, sorry, y-axis, rotation about the y-axis. So as usual, first what we have to do, first we have to write the position matrix of the given object. Now how to write the position matrix? Position matrix of triangle ABC is, now see there, I'll write it here, position matrix of the triangle ABC. So position matrix is generally denoted by X. So X is equal to, write the vertices of the triangle ABC, that is A in a column matrix, B, and then C, and write their coordinates of the point A, B, and C. So what is the coordinate of the point A? A is 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. B is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And C is -2, 3, 1. Okay. So these are the coordinates of the point A, B, and C, which is the position matrix of the triangle ABC. Now after that we have to write the rotation. Now what is the transformation matrix is given? Rotation about y-axis. Rotation about y-axis through 90 degree. Through 90 degree. Now it is plus 90 degrees given, so that's why we have to consider it is a positive rotation. Now how to write the rotation matrix about the y-axis? So T is equal to, now it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Rotation is a 3 by 3 matrix. So here the first column for x, then second column for y, third column for z. Similarly for the first row, second row, and third row, we print the x, y, z coordinates. Now if it is a rotation about the y-axis, your y diagonal entry, that means second row, second column entry, diagonal entry is the 1, and all the entries of the second row and second column are 0. So second row's non-diagonal entries are 0, second column's non-diagonal entries are also 0. And then we have to write the remaining matrix as a cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, and then cos theta. But one more change is there. In a rotation about y-axis, the sign of the sign is opposite. That means this plus sign becomes minus sign, and this minus sign becomes plus sin theta. Okay, that means your matrix is cos theta 0 minus sin theta 0 1 0 plus sin theta 0 cos theta. Transformation matrix for the rotation about y-axis. Now theta is equal to 90 degrees. So this becomes cos 90 0 minus sin 90, then 0 1 0 sin 90 0 and then cos 90. What is the value of cos 90 and sin 90? Take it using calculator, or directly also you can tell the value of cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 is equal to 0, then 0, and sin 90 is equal to 1. So that becomes minus, then 0 1 0, sin 90 is equal to 1 0, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, so your transformation matrix T is equal to what? Transformation matrix T is equal to 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0, then 1 0 0. Now after getting the transformation matrix T, and already we have the position matrix X, so apply this T on X and find out the X star. The rest procedure you know that, how to find out the X star. So apply T on X. So we get X star is equal to X star, or you can denote by X dash also, X into T. So the matrix X is equal to, we have the matrix X as well as also T. So X is equal to 1 0 1 2 3 4. First row is 1 0 1, second row is 2 3 4, and the third row minus 2 3 1, minus 2 3 1, and then transformation matrix T is equal to what? 0 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 0, and then 1 0 0. So both are 3 by 3 matrix. So multiplied these two matrices by matrix multiplication method, or you can do that matrix multiplication by using the calculator also. Okay, so I already explained that how to do the matrix multiplication using the calculator. So use calculator for this multiplication, or you can do it manually also. So I'll do it here manually. First row, first column. So 1 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, and 1 ones are 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So that becomes 1. And first row, second column, 0, 0, 0. So the second entry is 0.
0.
And first row, third column, 1 minus 1 is a minus 1, 0, 0. So this becomes
-1.
minus 1. Then
4.
second row, first column, 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So this becomes 4. Second row,
3.
second column,
3.
0, 3 ones are 3, 4 zeros are 0. So this is 3.
Minus 2.
-2.
Third column, minus 2.
1.
Third row, first column,
1.
1.
3.
Third row, column,
3.
3.
Minus 1.
Third column,
2.
plus 2. Right? So this is our matrix multiplication, means the resultant matrix X star. So X star is nothing but what? X star is position matrix of the transformed triangle A star, B star, and C star. Okay, after transforming the triangle ABC by applying the rotation in y direction, about y-axis through 90 degree, the position of the triangle ABC is A star, B star, C star. So that means here A star, what is the coordinate of the point A star? 1 0,
1 0 minus 1.
B star
4
4.
3
3
minus 2.
-2.
4 3 minus 2, and C star
1 3 2.
1 3 2.
1 3 2. Right? So that's it.